Wheat taste, sweet, slightly cold, non-toxic. Efficacy, clearing away heat, quenching polydipsia, diuresis. Auxiliary treatment, diabetes, upset, gonorrhea, etc. External application can eliminate sores and swellings. Diet therapy, first, diabetes and upset. Use wheat to make rice or porridge. Second, gonorrhea in the elderly, including body heat, abdominal fullness, difficulty urinating. 30 grams of wheat, 5 grams of tonkao, decocted in water. Attachment, floating wheat refers to the wheat that can float on the water surface. Deflated, taste, sweet, salty, cold, non-toxic. Efficacy, nourish the mind, astringe sweat and remove heat. Auxiliary treatment, dirty dryness of women, palpitation, spontaneous sweating, night sweating. Diet therapy, first, dirty dryness in women hysteria. 15 to 80 grams of floating wheat, 10 grams of licorice, 4 to 6 jujubes, decocted in water. Second, anxiety, spontaneous sweating and night sweating, 30 grams of floating wheat, Torreya cocos and Ophiophagon japonicus each 10 grams decocted in water, or floating wheat, 30 grams of glutinous rice root, 10 grams of dried peach, decocted in water, 2 times a day. Third, postpartum sweating. 10 grams each of floating wheat bran and oyster, ground into powder and served with pork broth. Take twice a day. Attachment, wheat flour, nature and flavor, sweet and warm, no poison. Efficacy, tonify the middle and replenish key. Auxiliary treatment, harmonize the 5 internal organs. It is better to use oat wheat, which will not produce heat after eating. Food therapy, steam wheat flour and fermented grains into cakes. Known as steamed cakes, it helps digestion, diuretic, unblocks the urethra, and treats dysentery. Attachment, wheat bran, taste, sweet, cool, non-toxic. Efficacy, regulating, heat clearing, antiperspirant, analgesic. Auxiliary treatment, it can cure mouth sores, sweating, redness and swelling of joints, etc. Dietary prescription, wheat bran mixed with flour to make cakes. It can stop diarrhea and relieve heat. In recent years, it has been used in the treatment of diabetes and hyperlipidemia in foreign countries. Attachment, gluten taste, sweet, cool, non-toxic. Efficacy, antipyretic and regulating. Auxiliary treatment, quenching thirst and relieving restlessness. It is a nourishing food for widening and nourishing key in vegetarian food.